Alright, we're at another wholesale property. This one is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 1965, right here in Sunset, Utah. 2,394 square feet. Lot size 0.18. Roof is 10 years old. Home warranty or HVAC system is 10 years old. Has, see, 3-car garage, 1 attached, 2 detached. This one just needs some light work from the pictures that I've seen so far. Alright, so there's gonna be some people inside, so oh.
I had to come in here because it feels a lot better.
That's not too bad at all. This goes to the garage. Probably open that up a little bit.
Is that a back door? Just your garage?
Yep.
Okay, cool, thanks.
No signs of water damage.
What was that?
That's too bad. It's sort of the backyard, not the garage.
Oh!
You just proved me wrong. Holy cow.
A linen closet. So there is some good new vanity, some paint, new mirror, lights. No signs of water damage in there. Could probably get away with just cleaning that up. Or no, redo that. Not too bad of a room. It's a 12 by 12. So this is a master. Good sized closet at least. So might need some updated windows, definitely new flooring. Oh yeah, that's different. Okay. So I wouldn't try to save this flooring. Oh, let's take a look at that. Got some popcorn ceiling there.
Okay. Tomorrow noon.
Yep.
Awesome, thanks, Mark.
Thank you. Have a good day.
So it looks like they were in the process of renovating and then either don't know what happened. Could be a job loss, could be just running, their budget ran out. Relocating, who knows? But structure wise, everything looks good so far. Laundry room. Alright, let's see here. Oh, double pane down here. Looks good. Just add a little door right there. You got your storage. Laundry room. Oh, Lord. Okay, some paint, vanity, update the bathrooms, flooring, some paint. Let's go over here, utilities. Update installed 2012. You know, they should really start putting a visible date on here. You just write it right here, marker. Be perfect. See now, I don't see any expansion tanks, so. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms. This is the fourth one. This one's good size. Let's see. Or you could have 5 bedrooms. This could be the 5th. Or you could just have this as a little second living area. I'm pretty sure that's not up to code. I don't think anybody's gonna be able to squeeze out of that. But got your new flooring down here. This one just needs some paint inside. As long as you can match the flooring from down here to upstairs, you're good. By chance, did they have any of that extra flooring from downstairs?
Do you think that's the master bedroom? Because these two rooms are the same size and they're
I think
small.
originally that one would be the master bedroom with the mirrors. That one
This
was
awesome, though.
that was probably a living room at one point, and then they just turned it into a master.
Closet,
Yeah.
If I bought this house, that's where I put the master, though. To be honest with you, cooler in the summer too.
Oh,
But I don't know if I know the carport or the extra garage out there, the detached it doesn't have anything in there, so.
So you got your 1, 2. I don't know. Maybe I just turned those 2 bedrooms into 1 bedroom, and then just have that as my master up here.
Yeah. I'll probably put a door where the laundry room goes into.
So it looks like you can had to open this kitchen up a little bit more. Then and see if I can open this up a little bit more as well. Well, so far so good.
Not all right. I might put some carpet downstairs. I don't know how much I like the tile though.
Yeah. Tiles is just such a pain to take
It
out.
reminds me like going to Cancun or Mexico where they have tile in all the bedrooms.
Oh yeah, for sure. Alright, let's see here. Alright, so that'd be your kitchen. Here, you got your central air. Is it grapevines? Nice. check out the foundation. I don't see any cracks so far, at least any that are concerning. Got this little one right here, but not too worried about that. Oh, here needs some work, but it's gonna be winter before you know it, so no rush on that one. It's not too bad. I'm familiar with the neighborhood. It's a good neighborhood, close to everything. But people need to start taking more pictures of garages. Who doesn't appreciate a good garage? Ah, this is nice. See, you got a his and hers garage. Ah, sweet. Perfect. You have your sports car right here, preferably like a 1969 Firebird. And then over there you have your 1996 911. If you can find one for a good price anymore. But yeah, that's it. Everything looks pretty solid on this house. They're asking, what was it, $340 for this one? It's their price. Comps came in at about $425. So it's all cosmetic work, really. Cosmetic work and some cleanup. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe and stay tuned for more property tours. See ya.